An important part of a successful installation of Versetta stone is getting a level starting point. In this video, a laser is used to establish a level line on the exterior wall of the structure. Then using a chalk line, a level reference line is established around the area that the stone will be installed. Verify accuracy before starting your layout. A small strip of tar paper or house wrap could be installed prior to the starter strip. Here the installers use a story pole to measure accurately to the top of the starter. Chalk line is used to transfer the marks of the top of the starter strip to the wall, ensuring a straight and level line that follows around all corners of the building. Having the starter strip installed securely and perfectly level is critical to a successful installation. Using the line as a reference, install the starter using corrosion-resistant screws or nails with a 3/8 inch minimum head and a 1/8 inch shank, or a 10 by 1 5/8 inch Versetta screw. Check it for level again before starting. Next, install a code-approved weather barrier on top of the installed starter, but do not cover the bottom lock. It is important to provide proper water management for the system. Overlap the inside and the outside corners of your weather-resistant barrier by a minimum of 6 inches to provide for proper water protection behind the Versetta stone.